No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yeah, she wants to eat my hot chocolate. Pearl wants to eat my hot chocolate. But anyways, guys, good, beautiful blessings to you. Cheers to you, and welcome to the All Things Health and Wealth Show today. My name is Kiara Cass, and I'll be your host for the rest of this wonderful show. I hope the volume is good, that you can hear me loud and clear, because this is going to be a short, sweet, and entertaining video for you today. It is freezing here in Johannesburg. Not freezing, but it's raining for like 3 days flat. Soaked, drenched outside. Nature's looking beautiful, lush and green. Really wonderful. Coming into our autumn time, so thank you, Mother Nature. Okay, so let's get straight to it, guys. First of all, so keep us charts so that we can start to see a little bit more clearly without all of the noise around on my charts. But I'm going to keep the purple boxes, and I'm going to keep mine in between lines so that we can all see what's going on here. But right now, if you can have a look, even though Bitcoin's got a bit of resistance at this level again, if we can't break above this level right now, boom, if we can't break above that 3K level and we do a little bit of back down, we're coming back down to the 41K level, like I've said to you before. So depending on how we close this strongly or weekly candle is going to make a huge difference to us right now, and we are absolutely looking phenomenal, absolutely in every single one. Right now there's not much bottom, as you can see here on the chart, but there is a strong candle, and it is pushing the ribbon, the moving average, which means it's slowing down, opening up, which is phenomenal. But right now we're still under my blue line at 44,300 level, and I'd like to show you something, because I pointed this out on a video of mine not so long ago. You can take a look up here on the link right now as to where that is, because I said to you a little while ago that we were looking on a W pattern on the weekly and the monthly time frame as well, and it's looking really wonderful, especially knowing and considering that the dollar is busy crumbling right now. So, you know, even though it's pushing up, there seems to be a shift in the cycles, a shift in the money, a shift in all of that. So I'm keeping this video short and sweet because of the exact point of me taking a good, delicious sip of this wonderful hot chocolate from Synerchiorganics right now. I have that every single night. Absolutely good for heart health, brain health, libido, energy, dreams, blood flow, and mental focus. So I'm quite excited about that. So anyways, guys, as we can see with the candle now, so let's leave that line there for now. Let's go and have a look at the higher time frames so that we can see where we're at on the higher time frames with Bitcoin right now. Hello. Okay, let's go look at the day frame. Then we're going to look quickly in the month. Time frame volume is very weak. So I wouldn't expect that. And I did speak to you on my previous video. You can go and have a look here now at this video, where I said to you that if we happen to build a double bottom here, which is called a railway bottom, and it is something what you would see there or there, or there, and on many times you could have a look at it over there, etc. It's going to be a big day for us. There's another one example. So these things tend to happen at of this out. Just as we know, the liquidations on trading. So I hope you didn't get liquidated. I know some of you did, but that's also okay. And we knew that we were going to get liquidated. But if we're tumbling down here and not being able to break the ribbon in this white line, get back up above this on the daily, sure, we're definitely going to be coming to sit momentum and just range on the side of 41K. So that's a 55 definitely, but excuse those. but this is the main level that we really find support on, okay, not just break back through it. Okay, so that's going to be a very, very key important level for us to find right now. And let's go see on the weekly what we've done. So on the weekly, if we can get a bit more energy to pull above, I mean, that's right now sitting at 43,400. If we can get back up above that line, that would be good. So essentially what we want to do is close the week, and the weekly candle's closing in approximately about 4 hours. So one more 4-hour bar after this one, and will close us on the weekly candle. So yeah, that's going to be quite. Let's have a look. Actually, if I go there, I want to show you, because we've got a W pattern here. Boom, boom, okay, finding some support. We've got like a very small teacup and handle pattern essentially here, forming its handle right now, hopefully finding some support and pushing out. Okay, but now the bigger W pattern, as I mentioned on my this one, so we definitely want to reach previous all-time highs pretty soon, is what I'm going to say to you. And let's go and have a look on the, because the monthly is something quite similar. I'm going to say that same thing to you. So we're right at the beginning of the month right now. We're still early. So I'm not going to be phased about it at all. I think we reached our bottom. I really do, but we could still come back down, as I said, to the 41K, which would meet us at the top of this. But I told you already before, this is a large W pattern that's forming on the monthly chart. Okay, boom. Okay, look at that. That's insane. Okay, so I don't want to get noisy for us, so that we can have a look at chart over the next couple of days, but I will leave some of them so that we know where what is. Okay, I've spoken about upward lines, but W pattern, boom, bottom, up, boom, boom, came back down, found some support above that previous W pattern, which is a typical layout, chart layout of the W pattern. So now what we just need to do is, even if we run a couple more days and then need to grind up, that's okay. It doesn't really matter right now. The honest news is that we have Luna just bought another $170 million in Bitcoin. So really, guys, Bitcoin battles full close. LFG Luna buys 1,130 more Bitcoin. And then what was the other thing that I saw about Bitcoin that I wanted to let you know about? Oh yes, that there has been another F2 pool has been buying up plenty Bitcoin, 50, 100, 200, 4,000, 2,000, and they've been selling it in small amounts, quick. So there's been some concession in the Bitcoin price, and people buying Bitcoin and holding to it and allowing the Bitcoin in circulation to be that one that is flowing on the exchanges, because the whales are holding. I mean, I'm certainly no whale yet, but I'm holding. You know, I consider myself, I believe, probably a shrimp right now, but I'm holding my Bitcoin because that's huge. I mean, look at these huge gains. I spoke to you on my other video about the 697% gains, 675% gains that Bitcoin could have, and if we're definitely seeing momentum up to the 100 at the very least. Lots said, and that 675% video, I'm putting that in there right now. But please just take Ethereum, Solana, if I can see Solana on the day time frames. So I'm into that video with you. The same with Ethereum. We've found some support on the ribbon, so looking healthy, looking bullish, looking like we're getting our momentum back. The market's close to that, and let's see how the market tomorrow. But I'm going to say to you, that's really looking very healthy. Ethereum right now. So not financial advice, but I'm in Ethereum, buy Ethereum, rack up more and more and more. That's what you need at the end of the day. So yeah, XRP is still under this level here. I'm still a bit concerned for XRP, but XRP, when it runs, as you can see here. I mean, literally, I mean, that's a huge run. Okay, so same possibility here, and we're sitting above those right now. So I just want to let you know that. And if you want to be trading these wonderful energies and these wonderful cryptos, then you need to get yourself that link right now, right down below, pinned in the comments, and you need to get yourself a $4,100 bonus with me on Bybit right there today. And if you haven't done it yet, trade safely, please. If you're an experienced trader, use it. If you're not an experienced trader, ask some questions, do your own research, find out what's best for you. But at the end of the day, you have a $4,100 bonus when you put your deposit in Bybit account using that link right now, right there. And I'd love to say cheers to all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful, blessed Sunday evening and enjoy the markets ahead for the strong ahead. I'm bagging. Catch me on Twitter. You're going to see plenty posts from me this coming strong.